Morning everybody, this is Troy from Country Wood Products. I figure this is a good way to start out my channel as any other. Sitting here stacking firewood at 6:30 in the morning using a little light I'm reviewing. We got a big winter storm coming on, a mega blizzard, I don't know, 18 to 24 inches of snow on the way. I've got to get all this wood off the ground and covered up before the snowstorm comes. Country Wood Products is all about anything with wood, lumber, firewood. I've got a custom built 20-foot long sawmill. Started out with a Harbor Freight, and I call it Frankenmill now because there's not much left of the original. This winter, or this fall, I started a firewood sales business, which is doing very well, taking off. And I'll take you on my journey throughout the season as I harvest and process firewood from the forest to the customer. And in the spring, when the conditions are better, I'll be running the sawmill, and I've got some really cool products I need to build on my sawmill. But I can also do custom sawing for customers. The reason I built it, it's port mobile, has a crane and winch on it, a single push button load operation on the mill, and I can go do custom sawing for people. I've been a full-time YouTuber and homesteader since 2013 on the do-it-yourself world, my main channel. When I moved into a camper in the middle of the woods during the blizzard. Every day people turn on a video to see, did Troy survive the night? What's he gonna do today? And since I started Firewood, I decided to start Country Wood Products YouTube channel because I realized while I'm working every day, there's a lot I can share with people about processing firewood and some of the things I use to make the job go better. Some of the hardships, like freezing temperatures and snow, which makes it a little bit more complicated sometimes. So please do subscribe, like this video, tell your friends about Country Wood Products. I'm going to be getting into campfire wood in the summer. Right now we're full on into the home heating season. Really cool sawmill products. So check it out, guys, and stick along for the journey. Talk to you later.